Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 9 series. So today we'll be looking into effective communication methods. Communication medias are categorized as follows: oral media, written media, signs and symbol media. It can also be categorized in the way communication takes place in an organization: internal communication, external communication. Internal communication. This is the exchange of information among different parties within the organization: managers to owners, employees to managers, departments to departments. External communication. Exchange of information by the business organization with external organizations and parties. Business to customers, business to suppliers, etc. Let's look into few examples of ways that the communication is done through various communication media. Electronic communication. Communication with the development of information and communication technology. Let's look into few electronic communication methods. Internet. Computer network that covers internationally without borders. Information that is entered from various places can be obtained. Email. Exchanges of messages electronically where the sender and receiver both should have internet facilities and email addresses. Intranet. This is where the information is facilitated to be shared within the institute. This network is under the control of a person or an institute, and the service provided by this is available only for authorized persons. Voicemail. This is a system where the message given by the sender verbally over the phone is stored or recorded in the device, which could be retrieved later. Fax. An electronic machine that enables to transmit letters and documents instantly through a telephone system. The fax machine sends the message by obtaining prints of the relevant documents and transmits it to the fax machine that receives it. Mobile phones. This uses satellite technology and is used for multiple business activities like making calls, sending mails, etc. Intercom. A telephone network installed privately to exchange information within the organization. Barriers for effective communication. Poor knowledge to use new technologies. Use of outdated communication methods. Language barriers, knowledge and attitude issues. Barriers in the use of communication equipments. Strategies to overcome such barriers. Use of modern communication equipments. Use of digital technology. Imposing rules and regulations regarding communication. Now let's look into advantages and disadvantages of different communication methods. Advantages of verbal communication media. Ability to present a problem in a greater detail and present it by a discussion. The provider and the receiver of the information becomes much closer. Ability to present the information fast and confidentially. Disadvantages of verbal communication media. Possible language barriers. Problems of exchanging information with parties who are verbally weak. Non-existence of proof that the information is communicated. Advantages of written communication media. It is possible to provide information in greater detail. Can be used as a proof for the transmission and receipt of the information. It is possible to transmit data, notes, tables, graphs, etc. easily. Disadvantages of written communication media. There can be difficulties in understanding the information. If the recipient has reading difficulties, then the transmission of information becomes difficult. The information may get distorted in the transmission process. Advantages of signs and symbols. The ability to present information briefly and clearly. The accuracy of the information being at a higher level. Ability to understand the information easily. Disadvantages of signs and symbols communication media. There will be problems in exchanging information where the recipient suffers from a sight impairment. If signs and symbols get distorted over time, miscommunication can occur. It can be difficult to understand some signs and symbols. There should be a prior knowledge on signs and symbols to understand them. So that's it with this video, guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.